So, good morning, everyone. In today's class, we will be continuing worksheet number 14. Yesterday, we did worksheet number 13 of chapter number 7, Getting to Know About Plants. So, let's start with this worksheet. First of all, children, write name, class, section, roll number. Kindly write down. Write today's date, class, section, and roll number. Your A part is you are given a bell-shaped flower and are asked to cut the flower to study its inner parts clearly. So what you have to do? Cut the petals lengthwise and spread out. Cut it open if its petals are joined. So you have to check each one of the option, what will be the correct. So all of these will be the correct answer for it because we need to do the all parts. We have to cut to see the internal structure. Okay. Next comes the veins of a leaf can be seen on dash part. Yes, Sauravi.
Ma'am, the veins of a leaf can be seen on lamina.
Yes, lamina. So A part is the right option. Lamina is the flat green portion of the leaf. Next, number 3. Parallel venations can be seen in leaves of. Options are grass, people, mango, all of these. Kindly raise your hands. Yes, Sauravi. So parallel venation can be seen on grass leaves. Okay. Next is number 4. A plant with weak stem can't stand upright. It's spread on a ground. It is known as tree, climber, creeper, or shrub. Yes, Arnav Agarwal. Answer of 4. If it's spread on the ground, it will be creeper. Next, number 5. Which of the following plants has weak stem and need a support of neighboring structure? So, gourd or cucurbita, both needs a support. Both have a weak stem and they need a support to climb up. I hope till here you have done. Everybody has done till here? Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue with the next part. Okay. Now we are going for number 7. Which color of the stem of tomato plants? So you can say what will be the color of tomato plants? Tell. What will be the color of tomato plant?
Most likely greenish yellow.
No, it will be of green color. The stem is always of green color, children. Okay. Okay, next continue. Mango plant is a dash. So give the appropriate words for it. Mango plant, what's it? Is it a tree, herb, or shrub?
Ma'am, tree. Tree, ma'am, tree.
Next, a flat green portion of a leaf is called a flat green portion of a leaf is called
And
lamina.
chlorophyll. Ma'am, lamina. Lamina.
Ma'am,
Lamina.
excuse me, ma'am.
Lamina.
It's lamina.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you tell me what is the answer of fifth question?
Answer is photosynthesis.
Wait, beta, wait.
Okay, ma'am.
So by the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare their food. Answer of fifth is C part. Next is the branches that arise from main root are called lateral roots. Lateral roots. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes. After that, let's continue with the C part. Correct and rewrite the following statements. Herbs are
Ma'am,
plant with thick and strong stem. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, the answer will be trees are plants with thick, strong stem.
Okay. So this is a word which is wrong. So instead of this word, you can write down trees. Okay, children? Done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is, come on the next page number. After that, let's continue with this part. In cactus, leaves are modified to form stems. So what can be the answer for it? In cactus, leaves are modified form of thorns. Tell me. Anybody of you? Is it correct or not? So instead of leaves, what can be there? Stem.
Ma'am, stems.
It can be stem. Next is match the following column with A and column B. Ovary, ovules, anther, and after that you have to write down anther and style. Now see with whom we can match it. Ovary will be matched with, tell me which part of it.
Now small bead-like structure.
This is a swollen base of the ovary. Ovules are the beads-like structure.
Ma'am, ovules are small bead-like structure inside ovary.
Yes. Anther is the lobed structure on the top of filament. And
Yes,
style is elongated cylinder portion of pistil. So you may write down here. Next comes
Name two
name
flowers
two.
which are
So kindly raise hand those who know the answer. Name two flowers which are not single but a group of flowers. So children, you have to answer the means any two flowers which are not a single but a group of flowers. So one example you can give here of sunflower. You must have seen sunflower. two flowers which are not single but a group of flowers. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Next is, what pattern of design is formed in reticulate venation?
Ma'am, wheel.
So what type of pattern is formed?
Ma'am, net-like.
Yes, very
Net-like
good.
pattern.
Net-like pattern. Net-like pattern. Name two plants in which sepals are joined to each other. Name two plants in which sepals are joined to each other. So write down, children. Even in cotton plant, if you have seen, in cotton and in hibiscus, जिसको आप चाइना रोज कहते हैं, you can write down China rose. Next, name two bell-shaped flowers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can Mogra can be also answered?
Yes, beta, you can write down.
Okay,
So bell-shaped are, first is, are you having any idea? Foxgloves. So these are the bell-shaped flowers. One more is here, lily flower. That is also a bell-shaped flower. Okay. Next is, name the processes shown in the following diagrams. Children, you have to write down what are the processes. Can you name the first process? This diagram is in your book. What that process is?
Ma'am, transpiration process.
Yes, transpiration. First process is transpiration. And what the second is showing?
Ma'am, young plants grown on cotton wool.
Beta, what is said? What it is said? Sprouts or germination, you can say. It is germination. Germination. Okay. Till
Okay,
here,
ma'am.
everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue with the next part. Arshayas, don't do it.
Ma'am.
Next question number 2 is, describe the reproductive parts of a flower in brief. So you have to tell the reproductive parts of the flower. And second is, third question number, can the stem of plant be compared with the street
Ma'am, your voice
two-way
is
traffic?
cracking.
So children, let's continue with question number 2. So आपको reproductive parts of flower you have to explain. So write down male reproductive of flower. Write down. Stamen is the, write down. stamen is male reproductive part of flower. Okay. And the female reproductive part is?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. And pistil is?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
And pistil. Pistil is female part. Of flower. Done? Is it clear? So children, you should know the male and female reproductive parts. Stamen is a male and female pistil is a female part of the flower. Okay. For the next question, can stem of a plant be compared with the two-way traffic? Yes. So the reason will be yes. But you have to write down explanation for it. Because from one side, from the base, the water and minerals are transported to the leaves, and on the other side, the food prepared from the leaves that is sent to all parts of the flower. So in this way, it can act as a two-way traffic.